Hey guys, so I don't really want to be known for just Dandy's World. So how about this? Comment something, say something in the comments. I'll try the game out, make it into a video, and no, it does not have to be just Roblox. You could get anything. You see like Among Us or Secret Neighbor or Fortnite, anything really. So say what you want. Oh, but focus. Say anything, and then you guys get to watch me play. And remember, I'll even add you guys, and you can play with me. And like and subscribe, so I can buy skins. Goodbye.